or control the temperature with the AC. Simply in the current position it's off, you can see, and here's the temperature gauge. You simply turn it on, and then what will happen is the propane will be called for. The heater will then start a spark, and it will start the heating process. Again, you can control the temperature. If you want the heater off, you simply go to off. So this is the heater unit here. So you want to be careful. There's a silver box in there, and that's where the flame uses the propane to heat. So the main heat is going to come out of here. You can also use the heat from the car. So when you turn the motorhome on and when it warms up, you'll get heat off of that as well. So those are your two sources of heat.